So, have you ever been working on a big project that needs glue guns, and then you've been restricted by your wire length? What you gonna do about that? Well, today I have a solution for you. It is the Hoto lithium glue gun, wireless. Let's get started. Okay, so now let's start unboxing it. Due to a bit of rough way in shipping, the box got a little damage. Anyways, we'll start finding the tape. Okay, I found the tape. It's here now. So we'll use my trusty kitchen knife. I don't know why we're using kitchen knife, but we use kitchen knife to cut it open. So let's pull it out. Oh, okay, here it comes. So this is the glue gun. Okay, you can't see it yet because let me just take it out packaging. Wow, looks pretty good. Have your glue intake here at the back and a pretty big lever, easy to push, and a cover. And then you have the nozzle, which is pretty small for accurate movement and gluing. So first impressions, this seems very easy to use. Just put your stick in and glue. And since it's wireless, it's got a very powerful lithium battery, so it can be powered for, I believe, around 2 to 3 hours, which is pretty decent. And it's got very fast charging. Then we'll put this aside for now. Next, we'll see what they included with the glue gun. We'll see what's on the left side. Okay, oh, it opens like that. Okay, very nice. Okay, so we have the manual
that everyone reads,
and cable. Oh, what's this?
Charging base or base?
Cool. So you also have, it could either be a standing base or a protector, but I would say it's gonna be a standing base, so we'll attach it on. You have your port, USB-C as well, charging under here. So now we can stand this up, and this can still be removed. It's rubber, so it won't scratch anything, and it will have good friction, so it doesn't go around much. So that's all for the left side. So for the next side, I'm seeing some colorful stuff in here. So they included some normal glue sticks, 5 of them, and some colorful glitter glue sticks of 5 as well. So we have 10 in total. And I can't read this. If anyone can read Chinese, please tell me what it is in the comment section below. So let's just open it up. It feels like glitter. Feels like there's a texture. So we can separate. Okay, we can put this away. From the looks of things, they look to me as a standard glue stick size. So any glue stick that you buy, any small size should fit. So the time it takes to heat up and melt the glue is 30 seconds, which is considerably quick, very quick, in fact. And then we have a LED light right here. If it's blinking white, it means heating. And if it's solid white, it means it's ready for use. And if it's blinking red, it means low battery. That's all we know. So now, let's turn it on and see what happens. It's starting to heat up quick. So we'll wait until it turns solid white. So do we have a test subject?
Okay, good.
Okay, so now that the glue gun is solid white, it means it's ready for a glue stick. I don't know what one click will dispense, but we'll see here. I got my test subjects ready. We'll take this future board and some PVC pipe. So we'll start by 2 pieces of the future board. I will insert the glue stick. It's getting quite warm. Okay, now that's all the way. If I push it more, then I can press the trigger. Okay, pressing the trigger once eats up a lot of material. So we have a little amount of glue coming out the tip here. And that's almost like a whole glue stick. So the whole length here is a glue stick. So now we'll maybe try a stroke. So the amount of glue coming out of the tip is very small. It's a small tip, but one press can take you a long way. So now I'll try sticking them together. Since hot glue isn't completely that strong, it will rip, but it dries up pretty quickly. So it's good for holding in some things that don't get tension. And if you want to glue it again, you can just remove the material. As easy as that. So about specs. This glue gun uses a glue stick of 7mm. Heat up time of 30 seconds, battery is 4 volts and 2000 milliamps. And the charging parameters are 5 volts, 1 amps for 1 to 2 to 3 hours. And it's also super lightweight of around just only 195 grams, and auto switches after 3 minutes with high sensitivity temperature control. It will keep the temperature at a constant pace. So that would be over for the specs, and we have a little surprise today. This video is sponsored by Hoto. Hoto is a company that makes home use tools such as screwdrivers, electric screwdrivers, drills, and glue guns, laser rangefinders, and much more. The link for the Hoto shop is in the description, as well as the code for a $5 discount. The code is CST. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not make the same mistake as me. Goodbye.